Cathie Wood, the visionary investor and founder of Ark Invest, has garnered considerable attention for her bold predictions in the world of finance. Among her notable forecasts, Wood's prediction about Bitcoin stands out as a testament to her insightful analysis and forward-thinking approach. Hey, welcome to Stock Market Mate. Today we'll talk about Cathie Wood's prediction about Bitcoin reaching $1.5 million. If you're interested in that, keep right on watching. Do give us a like and subscribe to the channel to help us beat the YouTube algorithm. If you're done with that, then let's get right into it. Recognizing the revolutionary potential of Bitcoin, Wood's understanding of disruptive technologies and her ability to identify their transformative potential played a pivotal role in her recognition of the revolutionary nature of Bitcoin. While many investors were skeptical or dismissive of cryptocurrencies, Wood saw beyond the surface-level volatility and speculation to grasp the underlying power of blockchain technology. Wood comprehended the significance of blockchain technology, which forms the foundation of cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. Unlike traditional financial systems that rely on centralized intermediaries, blockchain technology enables decentralized and transparent transactions. She recognized that this decentralized nature had the potential to disrupt traditional financial systems, challenging the status quo and introducing a new paradigm of trust and security. Moreover, Wood understood that Bitcoin's potential extended beyond financial transactions. She saw the potential for cryptocurrencies to provide financial inclusion to underserved populations, particularly in regions with limited access to traditional banking services. With Bitcoin, individuals could participate in global financial networks, store value, and engage in transactions without relying on traditional banking infrastructure. Wood recognized the transformative potential of this aspect, envisioning a future where Bitcoin could empower individuals and communities by offering financial services to the unbanked and underbanked. Wood's early recognition of Bitcoin's transformative potential set her apart from many other prominent investors who failed to grasp the implications of cryptocurrencies. Her ability to see the bigger picture and anticipate the impact of disruptive technologies positioned her as a pioneer in the field. As a result, Wood's insights and investment decisions regarding Bitcoin gained attention and respect, influencing the perception and adoption of cryptocurrencies not only among investors but also among traditional financial institutions, regulators, and the general public. By recognizing Bitcoin's potential to reshape traditional financial systems, challenge the status quo, and provide financial inclusion, Wood demonstrated her ability to identify opportunities where others saw uncertainty or risk. Her foresight and understanding of disruptive technologies have established her as a prominent figure in the cryptocurrency space and have contributed to the broader acceptance and recognition of Bitcoin's transformative capabilities. Embracing Bitcoin in Ark Invest's portfolios. Wood's confidence in Bitcoin's long-term potential translated into her investment strategies, showcasing her conviction in the digital currency's future success. Recognizing the transformative power of Bitcoin and its potential to reshape the financial landscape, Wood strategically included Bitcoin in Ark Invest's portfolios, most notably in the Ark Next Generation Internet ETF. By incorporating Bitcoin into her funds, Wood not only provided Ark Invest with exposure to the asset class, but also sent a strong message to the investment community. Her decision to include Bitcoin demonstrated her belief that cryptocurrencies were a legitimate and valuable investment opportunity, and it helped legitimize Bitcoin in the eyes of institutional and retail investors alike. Wood's reputation as a successful investor and her track record of identifying disruptive technologies gave way to her endorsement of Bitcoin. Her inclusion of Bitcoin in Ark Invest's portfolios served as a stamp of approval, attracting attention and generating interest from other market participants. Institutional investors, who often rely on established investment firms and influential figures for guidance, took notice of Wood's strategic move. Her endorsement of Bitcoin prompted many institutions to reevaluate their stance on cryptocurrencies and consider allocating funds to the digital asset. Wood's decision to include Bitcoin in her funds had a ripple effect on retail investors. Her prominent position in the investment industry and regular appearances in media outlets allowed her to reach a broad audience. Retail investors, eager to follow successful investment strategies, took note of Wood's inclusion of Bitcoin in Ark Invest's portfolios. Her endorsement helped dispel some of the lingering skepticism and uncertainty surrounding cryptocurrencies, encouraging individuals to explore Bitcoin as a viable investment option. Wood's influence on institutional and retail investors' perception of Bitcoin cannot be overstated. Her strategic investment decisions and her unwavering belief in the long-term potential of the digital currency played a significant role in shaping the narrative around Bitcoin as a legitimate and valuable asset class. By embracing Bitcoin and incorporating it into her funds, Wood not only positioned Ark Invest to benefit from Bitcoin's growth, but also influenced other investors to consider Bitcoin as a worthwhile investment opportunity. Timely price forecasts and resilient optimism. Cathie Wood's ability to provide timely price forecasts and maintain resilient optimism amidst market fluctuations has been a testament to her expertise and unwavering confidence in Bitcoin's potential, even during highly volatile periods. She has remained steadfast in her belief in the digital currency's long-term trajectory, providing valuable guidance to investors. Wood's skill in predicting Bitcoin's price movements stems from her comprehensive understanding of the market dynamics and the factors that drive Bitcoin's value. She recognizes that short-term price fluctuations can be influenced by various factors, including market sentiment, speculative trading, and regulatory developments. However, she maintains a long-term perspective, understanding that the true value of Bitcoin lies in its disruptive nature and its potential to reshape the traditional financial landscape. Wood often cites increasing institutional adoption as a significant driver of Bitcoin's value. As more institutional players such as major corporations, asset management firms, and even traditional financial institutions embrace Bitcoin and recognize its potential as a store of value and investment asset, the credibility and mainstream acceptance of the cryptocurrency grow. This institutional adoption not only adds stability to the market, but also increases demand for Bitcoin, potentially driving its price upwards over the long term. Influence on Bitcoin's perception and adoption. Cathie Wood's influential position in the investment community and her vocal support for Bitcoin have had a profound impact on shaping the perception and adoption of the cryptocurrency. As the founder and CEO of Ark Invest, a prominent investment management firm, Wood's opinions and predictions carry weight and influence among institutional investors, retail investors, regulators, and the wider financial industry. Wood's optimistic outlook on Bitcoin, backed by her thorough research and understanding of the technology, has helped dispel misconceptions and address skepticism surrounding cryptocurrencies. Her ability to articulate the merits of Bitcoin as a transformative asset class has played a crucial role in changing the narrative around digital currencies. By openly expressing her support for Bitcoin and advocating for its inclusion in investment portfolios, Wood has attracted significant attention from traditional financial institutions and regulators. Her well-reasoned arguments and predictions have sparked dialogue and debate among industry experts, leading to a greater level of acceptance and legitimacy for Bitcoin. Wood's predictions and insights have been instrumental in drawing institutional investors' attention to the potential of Bitcoin. As a respected figure in the investment community, her endorsement of the cryptocurrency has given it credibility and has prompted institutional investors to consider incorporating Bitcoin into their portfolios. This increased interest from institutional investors have not only contributed to the growth of Bitcoin's market capitalization, but has also brought greater liquidity and stability to the cryptocurrency markets. Moreover, Wood's advocacy for Bitcoin has helped regulators and policymakers gain a deeper understanding of cryptocurrencies and their potential benefits. By presenting a well-informed and balanced perspective on the technology, she has influenced the regulatory discourse surrounding digital currencies, fostering a more nuanced approach to their governance. Her insights have prompted regulators to explore frameworks that strike a balance between consumer protection and fostering innovation in the cryptocurrency space. Predictions on Bitcoin. Initially, Wood and economist Art Laffer predicted Bitcoin's market cap to be equivalent to the US monetary base, which was approximately $4.5 trillion at the time. However, as the cryptocurrency landscape evolved, Wood adjusted her projections to reflect the changing dynamics of the market. She now forecasts that Bitcoin will achieve a remarkable value of $650,000 per coin by 2027 and exceed $1 million by 2030. This revised outlook demonstrates Wood's steadfast belief in Bitcoin's ability to reshape traditional financial systems and solidifies her position as a leading figure in the crypto space. Despite her optimism, Wood acknowledges the challenges and regulatory uncertainties associated with cryptocurrencies. She highlights the need for regulatory clarity in the crypto industry, particularly in terms of defining securities and establishing comprehensive regulations. Wood points out that while countries like the UK and Europe have made progress in providing clear regulations for cryptocurrencies, the American regulatory landscape lags behind. Addressing these regulatory challenges is crucial for fostering a stable and secure environment that encourages a widespread adoption and innovation in the crypto space. In addition to discussing the regulatory landscape, Wood emphasizes the significance of early adopters in driving technological innovation, drawing on examples from industries such as adult entertainment and gaming. She highlights how early users play a pivotal role in greasing the skids for technological advancements. Their willingness to embrace new technologies, provide feedback, and push the boundaries helps these industries evolve and improve over time. Wood's recognition of the importance of early adopters showcases her deep understanding of the ecosystem in which disruptive technologies thrive. Furthermore, Wood emphasizes the broader significance of innovation and disruptive technologies in the market. She estimates that the current value of disruptive innovation stands at approximately $13 trillion, but envisions this figure soaring over $200 trillion by 2030. Wood and her team at Ark Invest are dedicated to identifying innovative companies and investing in them to capitalize on this exponential growth. This approach aligns with Wood's overarching belief in the transformative power of disruptive technologies and the immense opportunities they present for forward-thinking investors. Well, that's about it for today's video. If you like today's content, consider giving us a like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.
If you enjoyed this video, you're going to want to watch one of these two videos right here. Enjoy!